So this is my CPU fan and I have to clean it, so I just started by blowing on it. Then I bring the brush, and yeah, after that I fixed the camera and started cleaning. Then I blow on it once more. Hear this noise spike, by the way. So I think cleaning is done, so we stop here. Yep, always bring the brush with you, you will need it always. Anyways, this time I'm going to clean the motherboard, then I'm going to put the old CPU out and then put the new one on. So yeah, I will also apply the thermal paste. I hope you watch and enjoy. Here comes the beast. So it took me a while to unpack those yellow stickers, but here is our CPU. Then successfully pulling out the old one. Definitely wasn't stressing. Anyways, the new CPU is on. Then I apply the thermal paste. Actually, I don't like the shape of this thermal paste I'm holding. Like, it usually comes in the tubs that you push the thermal paste through. But anyways, I'm going with this one because it was provided by the company I purchased the CPU from. And yeah, I'm not gonna use any glass or anything because I don't recommend it. So you better use your heatsink after you apply the thermal paste. And that's it, I'm closing the case, and I hope you enjoyed the cleaning process and the installing process of the CPU. If you like the video, like it. If not, you know. And thank you for watching.